So very good morning. So in the last class we started with agricultural income concept and we have completed full analysis on definition of agricultural income as defined in section 2 class 1a. The complete definition was completed in the last class and we have done full analysis on each and every subclass and sub-items inside them. So in that regard, we completed agricultural income means any rent or revenue derived from a land situated in India and used for agricultural purposes will be called as agricultural income. That is one way. Second way, to have an agricultural income, so that will be, there are three partitions inside that. Any income derived from such land here represents Indian agricultural land. So any income derived from such land, okay, in three forms. Form number one, agriculture directly, okay. So in simple sense, I am an agriculturist, I am a cultivator, I am having my own land, I am selling the produce, coming under point number one. Second, I am not getting any income on agriculture, but I will get income on doing some process. So that process is a mandatory process which is ordinarily employed by cultivator or receiver of rent in kind. Okay. So to make the product fit for the market. So for that, if I take any process and in that process if I earn any revenue, that will also be treated as a agricultural income. Next one, sale by cultivator or receiver of rent in kind of any produce raised in respect of which no process other than the process mentioned in paragraph 2 is carried out. So that will come under the third category. Clear? Any mandatory process, compulsory process which must be applied on the product to make it fit for market sale or consumption, those activities only will be coming under point number 2. Any other commercial activities if you do, that will not be treated as agricultural purpose, and that's the reason why the concept of composite in agricultural income came into existence. Yesterday I already said about the concept. Okay. So with regard to the Bare Act, see here, any income derived from such land, Indian agricultural land, by performance by any cultivator or receiver of rent in kind of any process. So performance of any process which is ordinarily employed to render the produce raised, okay, or received by him to be fit to be taken to the market. So to make it fit for the market sale, what are all the required? We call them as ordinarily employed process. So in class purposes, we can call it also as a compulsory process. If there is no compulsory process, there will not be a market for the commodity. Classic example I already discussed in the last class. Cashew fruit will be there. Inside it, nut will be there. Cashew fruit, so no one will buy. Okay? You have to break that, boil it, make cashew nut, and then only market consumption will start. Roasting of cashew nuts is a optional process. Once you roast the cashew nuts and sell, agriculture is involved or non-agriculture is involved? Both are involved. Then composite business income starts. You understood what I said? See, you will say yes sir, but listen carefully. Raw cashew fruit is there. Okay? Raw cashew fruit is there. This will be processed, compulsory process, that will be broken and boiled, and a nut will be taken out of it. Compulsory process will end here. Understood? Full nut will be there. From this, another two processes they will do. Breaking into half nut, that breaking process will be done. Which process? Breaking process will be done. For that also they will charge some money. Okay? See, what is this? A raw cashew fruit will be there, which will be broken, boiled, and nut will be taken out. Clear? From here to here, any income generated will be treated as what income? Agricultural income. Understood? So I am earning revenue on this. Yes, agricultural income. I am earning revenue on the process, agricultural income, because this process is a mandatory process or an optional process. Mandatory process which is ordinarily employed by any person in that particular area. Must be carried out. Yesterday's class, do you remember everyone? So clearly I explained about what is this compulsory process. Unless and until you undergo this compulsory process, product will never be fit for the market. So this is what we discussed in the last class. Up to here, whatever income generates will be treated as a agricultural income. Next, once it is a compulsory process complete, now the optional process will start. Full cashew nut will come. Some people will break that into half and sell. Clear? And technically what they will do, if there are 1,000 full nuts, there will be 2,000 half nuts. Clear, everyone? 1,000 full nuts are there, broken into 2,000 half nuts, and they will sell. Okay? Breaking of nut into two parts, okay, requires a machine or requires a person to do that in a proper way, or else inappropriately they will break. You saw now half broken cashews, how beautifully they will break. Means some process is carried out. That process is optional or mandatory. Even without breaking that, full nut is also having its own market or not. So breaking of nut into two parts is just an optional process you are taking. Clear? For doing that breaking process, for 1 kg, I will charge you 50 rupees. How much? For 1 kg, to break it in a proper way, I will charge how much? 50 rupees for each kg. In a year, I will break somewhere around 10,000 kgs of cashew like that. And 10,000 into 50, which is equal to, how much? What is this 5 lakh? Revenue from or income from breaking the full nut into half nut. This income is what income? Answer everyone. Listen carefully. This particular thing is a non-agriculture income, 100%. But my question now, I am doing all these three. What all these three? I am only doing the raw cashew nut, I am only doing this, and I am only doing also this. Now there is a composite income that is generated. Some part is agriculture in nature, some part is commercial in nature. Clear or not everyone? How to do that is the next story that we are going to discuss. Okay? But 3 things are there. What are the 3? Yesterday already we discussed. Tea, coffee and rubber are the 3 specified products where rule number 7, rule number 8, already they clearly said what percentage is business percent, what percentage is agricultural percent. Yesterday's class. Tell me, in case of tea, tell me how much is agriculture, how much is business? 60% of your income from the sale of tea will be treated as agriculture, 40% will be treated as income from business, commercial substance. Okay? Second, tea over. Second, coffee. Coffee is the third one. Rubber, 65, 35. 65% goes to agriculture, 35% goes to business income, also called as a commercial substance. Next, third one, coffee. Coffee, again, 2 cases are involved. Normal coffee grown and cured. Grown, cured means that coffee fruit will be there. From that they will break and cure them and put it aside. That's it. This is called as what? Grown and cured. For that 75% will be agricultural, 25% will be business income, which has a commercial substance. And last one, second case also there. I am not just growing and curing. I am doing grounding. I am doing roasting. Everything I am doing on that coffee and making it to powder, selling it to so many people by mixing chicory. Yesterday I told you already about this. So in that case, 60% will be treated as agricultural income, 40% will be treated as business income, which is having some commercial substance. So this is what we discussed in the last class relating to breaking of composite agricultural and non-agricultural income into 2 parts on the basis of a percentage. Clear everyone? Now doubt will come. Sir, Only 3 products are. There is no other product in India where there is a composite concept. Cashew nuts I told just now. Cashew is not covered in tea, is not covered in coffee, is not covered in rubber. Covered? Correct everyone? Then where I should cover all these? There are so many things like that. There are so many things. See, a person can be doing process on some agricultural commodity. That process can be commercial. That process can be agricultural in nature. Correct or not? Tea, coffee, rubber. These are the 3 things which government recognized. Other than this, there can be infinite possibilities or not. These are all governed by rule number 7. Which rule? Rule number 7. We are going to read that now. Understood the point clearly? So how to understand that? Let us see in clear detail, and then we will go into the next part of the story. Up to here, everyone understood the concept clearly? Now you answer. You know sugar? Sugar. Now tell me. Sugar is a substance which comes from agricultural produce called as? You know, maybe costing completed for you? Costing started? Started? You know process costing? Completed? Then super. Joint and peripheral products also over. I am not going to ask any question, don't fear. I am asking whether chapter is completed, such that if I tell something, you will be able to understand and synchronize. Tell me, joint and byproducts also over? No, process only completed. Process costing 100% about sugar they might have said you. Cement, sugar, all this comes under process costing. Listening? Even making of shirt manufacturing is a process. Because cotton, if you put immediately, shirt will not come out. Understanding or not? It's not like putting the rice and getting the flour. Rice flour mill you have seen any time? Rice flour mill, what will happen? Only 2 processes. Put the rice, powder will come out. Answer over. There is no process here. Correct or not? There is one machine. Into that he will put that rice. Listening? What will come out? Flour will come out. Correct? So the flour will come out. That's it. The powder will come out. Answer over. There is no process involved here. Means the input itself is the output there. So process costing concept does not apply. When process costing will come? When the raw material passes through multiple machineries or multiple processes, multiple progresses, then the concept of process costing comes into picture. Listening? Then we will assume that if nothing is said in the question, it is said to be 100% complete for raw material, 50% completed for labor, and 50% completed for the overheads. Work in progress, yeah. So, like that, assumptions will be taken and doing. But in real life, let us see. I am a seller of sugar. I am a seller of? Now you would answer me. Sugar comes out of? Sugar? Sugar cane. Sugar comes out of? I will ask a question then. You said sugar comes out of sugar cane, correct? I will take a sugar cane. Maximum possible, I will use my hand and try to break it. If I break it immediately, sugar crystals will fall. Directly coffee. Mix, have the coffee. No? And what is going to happen? There is a process going. So, sugar is not agricultural produce. And a tree don't grow sugar, na? If you move the tree, like sugarcane tree like this, sugar crystals will fall. No. Or if I crush the sugarcane, sugar crystals will fall? No. So that's why I said it's not like putting the rice in the machine and getting the flour. Clear or not? There is a lot of nonsense process that will go in sugar manufacturing. Clear? So many chemicals will go inside, coloring agents will go inside, poisons will go inside. Inside what? Sugar. Nice, na? Sweet poison. So what sugarcane will do? First sugarcane will go into the machine, crush it. Sugarcane juice will come out, which we generally see in the outside roads. That sugarcane juice will be strained. They will filter all this unnecessary stuff. Sugarcane juice will come out. That will go into the boiler plants. They will boil them at a high degree temperatures, 300 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees, they will boil. Once it boils, water percent will be going out, evaporated, and only the sticky substance, what we call as a jaggery, will be refined and it will be available. They will take that again. After taking it, they will add chemicals to that, preservatives and chemicals. After doing that, they will add coloring agents to make it more white, because it will be almost in a golden brown color. Are you listening? From that golden brown color, we need to bring it into white, or else people will not consume. Poison should be always very much attractive. So make it white. So white color they have to make, they will add chemicals. All chemicals added after, it will again undergo a heating process wherein crystals have to form. Sticky substance, crystals have to form. In a machine they will rotate, like cement going into a clinker mixing machine. Sugar, this jaggery also will go into that. Almost for 1.5 days they will rotate. Machine will do like that. After that they will come out in the form of a plates. Small plates they will come. Again it will go into machinery. Okay? After that they will again break into a mixing machine, it will go, sugar crystals will come out. Now you answer my question. Sugar cane became sugar crystals in the last form. Hey, answer. Now you tell me, I am a sugar manufacturing company. What manufacturing? Company. If I sell the sugar, what I will get? If I sell sugar, what I will get? Answer, yeah? Income I will get. Income is agricultural, non-agricultural. Answer me. This is not chappal manufacturing. Starting non-agriculture, ending non-agriculture. This is not a laptop. Starting non-agriculture, ending non-agriculture. Sugar cane is not like that. Sugar cane is an agricultural commodity. Sugar is not an agricultural commodity. Answer, yeah. No sugar cane? No sugar. And the main commodity which I am selling is because of what? Agricultural commodity, sugar cane. Understood or not? Now tell me, sale of sugar is a agricultural or non-agricultural income? It is both. Like tea, coffee, rubber, sugar is also a both substance. It is both composite. It is both agricultural and non-agricultural in nature. Origin is agricultural, end result is a non-agricultural substance, which becomes very difficult for the department to quantify how much percent is agricultural, how much percent is non-agricultural. Are you understanding or not? What to do? What to do? I made 5 crore revenue on sale of sugar this month. This month I wanted to pay tax. Tell me, how to quantify how much is agricultural, how much is non-agricultural? If it is 60-40, 75-25, 65-35, 70-30, very easy. But there is no percentage for sugar, because only 3 commodities are having a fixed percentages. What are those? Tea, coffee, rubber. Again, coffee again 2 types are there, 60-40, 75-25. Tell me now, how to quantify the sugar into agricultural and non-agricultural substances? That's why what do you know what they said? See, take the sale value of sugar. Take the break that into 2 parts. In that entire sale value, whatever you do, you purchased sugar cane in the beginning or not? What you purchase? Sugar cane. Sugar cane you might have purchased or not. That sugar cane will have, sugar cane, not sugar. Sugar cane you purchased at the beginning. That sugar cane will have a market value or not? Remove that. Balance is the business income. Do you understand the point or not? I made how many crore revenue? Loudly. In that 5 crore, 1 crore is the raw material cost. How much is raw material? Cost of market value. Market value of that sugar cane, 1 crore. Remove that from the 5 crore. How much is there? 1 crore is agriculture, 4 crore is non-agriculture. Like that they started doing the analysis. Do you understand the point or not? Or else it becomes difficult, sir. See, point is very clear. You may ask a question now, sir, then why for tea, coffee, rubber they have given? Correct? If they have to give for all. But or else don't give to anything. Clear? See, number 1 tea, number 2 coffee, number 2 rubber. Okay? These 3 commodities are scarce commodities. Which commodity? Scarce commodity. Only in certain places in India they will grow. Not everywhere. Sugarcane grows in every place in India. There is no state where there is no sugarcane plantation in India. Yes or no? Agreed? But every state don't have coffee plantations, for your kind information. In south, the popular state for coffee plantation is Karnataka. Understood or not? Tea plantation is Kerala. That's it. There is no other state which is having extreme consumption or production of tea and coffee. Certain 2-3 places in Andhra Pradesh, Araku is there. Little amount only. When you compare 100 kgs is there, 1 kg will come from that place, 99 kgs will come from Karnataka. Are you understanding or not? So, non-substantial. In Tamil Nadu also, in Ooty it is there. Coffee, tea plantations are there. That contributes not even 1% of total India's tea. Assam and Kerala are the two main persons. Which one? Assam. Assamలో 2 places are there. One is Hazo, another one is the Digboy. These are the 2 places in Assam which manufactures tea. Clear? 60% of India's tea comes from Assam. 31% comes from Kerala. A balance 9% comes from entire India. Understood or not? So you can imagine how big they are making. So scarce commodity. Therefore what government wanted to tell? Same. Rubber also same. Tea also same. Coffee also same. Remaining commodities, government felt that those are not scarce commodities like these. Listening? You mention a product, you mention any agricultural commodity other than these 3 which are undergoing this process, they are all non-scarce, they are abundantly available. Listening or not? Since those are scarce 3 commodities, government thought that I will decide the percentage of business and percentage of non-business. And agricultural and non-agricultural government will decide. But there are lakhs of other agricultural produces where there is a breaking of agriculture non-agricultural process. For everything I can't, therefore they found out a rule called as a rule number 7, which we are going to discuss now. Did you first understand what we are going to discuss now? What concept we are going to read? Rule 7, leave it. What concept we are going to read? Composite business and agricultural income. Everyone repeat. Composite means combination of business is there, agriculture is also there. Sugar is not completely agricultural commodity, completely not a business commodity. Chappal is a complete non-agricultural. Chappal, yeah. Shoes, footwear is completely non-agricultural. Completely. Sale of sugar cane? Both are. Listen to the question. Sale of footwear? Completely non-agricultural. Sale of sugar cane? Completely agricultural. Yesterday only we read one point. 100% tea leaves are sold. Tea leaves, yeah. Tea leaves I will pluck from the tree, I will directly sell to a person, they will do the other process. For me the income will become what income? Agricultural income for me. Understood or not? So now, answer my question point clearly. Point number 1. Sugar cane sale is a 100% agricultural. Footwear manufacturing is 100% non-agricultural. 100% non-agricultural. Manufacturing of laptops, iPad, 100% non-agricultural. Correct or not? Sale of sugar, it is a combination of both agricultural as well as a non-agricultural, because beginning it is agricultural, ending it is non-agricultural. There is some substance which is in agricultural nature, some part of the substance also in non-agricultural nature. Division of both of these is the subject matter of discussion we are going to make in the rule number 7, sub rule number 2. Shall we start, everyone? See here, see the screen. Yesterday notes you have written, not at all written anything. This one you have written? Completed. This you did not write, correct? Don't write, wait. Also see this and then you will write. Okay. See here. Income which is partly agricultural, partly business income. Read again. Income which is partly agricultural, partly business income. And it is not completely agricultural, it's not completely business. It's a combination of both. We are going to discuss much about this in section number 33AB. Which one? 33AB. Everyone? 33AB. 33AB will be talking about tea, coffee and rubber sale. Tea, coffee and rubber sale. PGPP chapter we will say, yesterday I told you clearly, 2 class 1 year subclass A, other sources. 2 class 1 year subclass B, PGPP. 2 class 1 year subclass C, house property. Yesterday only I said, yeah, for you. Not very long, yesterday. 24 hours may be completed, hardly. Do you remember at least? So my point is, what I said in the yesterday's class, whenever there is a sale of any commodity which is composite in nature, we will break that into two parts: agricultural part, non-agricultural part. For three commodities, government itself decided the percentages of agricultural and non-agricultural. See the screen. Activity. What is the first activity? Growing and manufacturing of tea. Rule 8. Tell me, how much is the percentage of agriculture? 60%. Business? 40%. Rubber. Rule 7A. Tell me, how much is agricultural? 60%. How much is non-agricultural? 25%. Growing of coffee in India. Rule 7B. How much? Coffee ki 2 points are there. If it is only coffee grown and sold directly, growing and curing and selling, then how much is agricultural? 75. Non-agricultural? 25. If it is grown, cured, roasted, grounded, chicory mixing, all these things are done, then it will become how much of agricultural? 60, because of more commercial substance added into the product. Correct or not? 60% will be agricultural, 40% is non-agricultural in nature. Okay, bye everyone? Next. These all we already discussed. Read note number 1. Case 1. Here, this is what we are discussing now. Case 1. Start. Case 1 covers the case where income is derived from the sale of coffee grown and cured by the seller in India. Case 2 covers the case where income is derived from the sale of coffee grown, cured, roasted, grounded by the seller. Okay? Either with or without mixing the chicory. Next. Note 2. In all the three cases, business income shall be computed as per the provisions contained in PGBP. How? Don't ask me now. There are sections starting from, sections in this. Sections will be starting from section number 26. Section number? 26. House property is 26, 27. And technically to understand 28 onwards, PGBP will begin. 28 onwards. Up to 44D. Up to 44D. 28 to 44D will be discussing about PGBP, the biggest chapter in the entire Income Tax Act. Not inter-syllabus. Income Tax Act totally, if there is a biggest chapter, that will be PGBP. CA final, PGBP comes for 16 marks, first question. CA inter, 14 marks, first question. Will come from PGBP. Hey, obvious na. Main collection of tax will happen from whom? Business only in India. Correct or not? Obviously provisions are more for them. Clear? See, government will get revenue from two very big sources. Number 1, business. Number 2, salary. Number 1? Business. Number 2? Salary. That's it. These are the two very, very important sources of revenue to the government. Clear? Huh? Yes, but the first one is very easy, salary, because government can't be very harsh towards them. If you remember basics of income tax, we read about the rates of tax. Those who joined new, no worry, today we'll tell you about the rates of tax in summary for 5 minutes. Are you listening? Remaining discussion, when we come to the basics, I will explain in detail. Okay? You, first of all, those who joined new now and yesterday onwards, are you really understanding agriculture income concept? Yes, everyone? Yes, those who joined new, did you understand agricultural income concept clearly? Yes, like that basics of rates of tax is there, I will explain that. Because today computation we have to do in the class. At that time, you need to know about the rates of tax. So I will tell you the basics of rates of tax. Main basics we will see separately when we discuss about the basics of income tax. Clear? Like that, first listen carefully. 1A have 3 subclauses. Tell me, what is the first subclause? You will not tell. After writing, 4th class, 3rd class, 2nd class, the student also will tell. Next, second one. Now tell, I will write. From the income. Tell properly, in these 3 branches are there. 1, 2, 3. Tell me. Agricultural sale. Second one. Compulsory process. Next. Sale after compulsory process. These three are given in B, correct? And technically these three are in which nature? Business nature, because what is involved here? Sale, purchase is house property, salary, other source, capital gain, PGBP. Obviously. Next, rent or revenue. Rent or revenue. Rent or revenue on what? Land. Yesterday I told you very clearly. We are not talking about a property. We are talking about what? Land revenue or land rent if you get. Vacant land. Then building is not there. In that case it comes under IFOS. This will come under. Next one. You are having a building. About this we discussed for 1 hour yesterday. Okay. How building has to be assessed to tax. Okay. Building means what value will be calculated? Annual value under section 22. So this will be under IFHP. What is IFHP? Income from house property. Income from? So tell me, agriculture income la how many parts are there? Bad response. Agriculture income la how many parts are there? Number one, rent or revenue from the land. Rent or revenue from the land. Next, either agricultural sale directly or compulsory process or sale of agricultural produce after undergoing the compulsory process on which no other process has been carried out. Listening everyone? If some other process is carried out, what will happen? Commercial substance also will be added to that. It becomes both agricultural as well as a non-agricultural in nature. That's what we will see now. Clear or not everyone? So tell me, A will be assessed to tax under which head? B will be assessed to tax under which head? C will be assessed to tax under which head? What is IFHP? PGBP? Profits and gains from business or profession. IFOS? Income from other sources. Income from other sources. These are all the various concepts we discussed already. I am just revising what we completed. Do you remember or not? Now tell me. Read. In all the three cases. Forget about the first one. Forget about percentage of agriculture. What is the percentage of business in the first case? Now see the screen. I will ask question. Fatafat give the answer. My business income is, my total income from growing and manufacturing tea is 100 crore. How much is agricultural? Loudly. How much is non-agricultural? On that 40 crore, am I liable to pay tax as a business income or not? No. You can deduct so many expenses. What are all those expenses? That's what we are going to discuss in PGBP. So did you understand what I said? What we are going to do? Total income we will take. What income? We will take. Which income? Income from growing and manufacturing of tea. 100 crore. In that how much is the business part? How much is the agricultural part? Loudly, how much is the business part? How much is agricultural part? 60%. So tell me, 100 crore, how much is the business income? Loudly. You might have incurred so many, sir. Tea plantation require a lot of cost for me or not? Labor I will pay so much amount or not? All those expenses will be deducted from that 40 crore. Balance net profit will be there, na? That will be assessed to tax. Which expenses are deductible? Which expenses are not deductible? How to deduct expenses? All those we are not going to see today. Where we will see all those? PGBP chapter 33 AB section we will see. Which section? What we will see? Deductions from that 40 crore. Now we are not going to calculate net profit of the coffee activity, tea activity, rubber activity. We are going to only understand now how much part is agricultural, how much part is non-agricultural in nature. Did you understand what I said? Yes, everyone in the class? Yes, honestly you tell, shall I continue or repeat? Continue. How many of you want me to repeat? See, when I ask you to repeat, you have every right to ask me to repeat again. Just because of the reason that you raise the hand for repeat, I will not concentrate on you. Okay? If anyone want me to repeat, I will repeat one more time. But if you don't tell anything, I will continue, later you will suffer. Shall I continue or repeat? Continue or repeat? How many of you want me to repeat? Anyone? Sir, I will not even see you. You raise the hand. Or say continue, say repeat. I don't even want who you are. Repeat, huh? I will repeat one more time, one last time. I decided already. I'm waiting for at least one person to raise the hand. And now I am deeming that one person raised. See, for him I am repeating. Okay? See, point number 1. Whenever revenue comes from growing and manufacturing of tea, in that 100 rupees, 60 rupees will be treated as agricultural income, 40 rupees will be treated as non-agricultural income, which is a business income. And that's what I am going to discuss in the today's class. After taking that 40 crore, what are all deductions available, how to deduct them, whether depreciation on machinery which is used to manufacture the tea, can I reduce the depreciation, all those I am not going to discuss today. Do you understand what I said? Tea manufacturing means I will pluck the leaves. Labor I have to pay expenses. Deductible. Do you know whether deductible or not? Why you are telling yes? Sorry, I kept in a machine. Machine will make it into hot temperatures, moisture will be removed. That machinery will have a life or not? On the depreciation can be claimed. How do you know? Who said? That's why. Those all things I am not going to discuss today. Where we are going to see that? Profits and gains from business or profession chapter, we will see whether depreciation is a deductible expense for tea, coffee, rubber companies or not. So today we are not going to calculate tax liability. We are only going to bifurcate into agricultural and non-agricultural. After breaking it into non-agricultural, what expenses are deductible, what are not deductible is the next story we will see in the PGBP chapter. Everyone understood the point clearly? Yeah? No. Number 3. The rules are applicable whether income is positive or negative. What do you mean by positive or negative? Sir, agriculture income may not be always a income. Sometimes it can also become a loss. How agricultural income is bifurcated into 60-40, loss also will be bifurcated into 60-40 category. Understood? Continue. Next. If a person directly sells tea leaves, then 100% income is agricultural income. Okay? See, there is one company in Kerala. That name is Harrison's Malayalam Limited. That company is a key manufacturer of tea for Taj Mahal tea. You know Taj Mahal tea, yeah? Any of you from Kerala? Oh, first row people are there. How many of you are from Kerala? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 1, 2. Oh, last bench. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Boys will only 1. Sir, 7 persons are there. Anyone from Kochi? No. Near Munnar? Munnara, direct. Munnara? Hey, lucky fellow, yeah? See, I will give you an example. Munnar is there, na? Listen carefully. Munnar, hilltop, there is a sunrise, sunset point will be there in Munnar. 7,200 feet above from the sea level. Near that, there is one tea plantation company called as a Harrison's Malayalam Limited. You can also check in the website. So Google also you can do after class. Break time you do. Name of the company is Harrison's Malayalam Limited. Very popular company. They manufacture tea. Hello, are you listening? They have 2 businesses. Number 1, they will pluck the tea leaves. Tea leaves directly they will sell to companies. That is one business. Business 2, they will do entire manufacturing of tea product. Clear? That means they are having 2 types of income. Number 1, full agricultural income, composite income. Number 1, full agricultural income. Number 2, composite income. Taj Mahal tea, do you know? Na? I went to Harrison's Malayalam out of anxiety and curiosity because they will allow you to go into the factory there, Munnar. So when you go inside, na, when you see the process will be a very big process, lengthy process, because tea leaves will be cut, they will go into manufacturing plant, their heating process will happen on shells. So during that process, what will happen? Moisture inside the tea leaf will be completely evaporated. Tea leaf will become like roasted leaf. That means if you press it like this, it will crack and it will become a powder. They will not do that. leaf will be rounded like this because of that heat constraint. Moisture will be lost and it will be spiraled. So after that spiraling process is complete, again they will reheat. They will become like a ball, small balls. Away we see the tea balls. Na? In that again process will happen. So A, B, C, D, 4 categories, they will divide the quality. A and B completely exported from India. So India they are not using it. Taj Mahal tea is there, na? Wah Taj. That uses 4th grade. Tea dust. It's not tea. Okay, you go to Harrison's Malayalam company, if you find time, any time in your life, they will explain properly how this tea manufacturing is going on. Tea dust will be there, na, final. Tea dust is Taj Mahal, Wah Taj. Remaining AB quality, they are exporting completely with a brand called as a Surya. You can also check that in Google. Surya Tea Company. In Munnar, completely they are dominating. So this Harrison's Malayalam Limited started a company called as a Surya Tea Company. That will be doing sale. Are you understanding or not? That will do sale. Harrison's Malayalam Limited manufactures tea. Sale will be done by a separate company again. Understood the point clearly? Sorry. So point is, why I said all these things is, listen. Here Harrison's Malayalam Limited are having 2 incomes. Number 1, income from the sale of raw tea leaves directly. That will become what income? 100% agricultural income. Okay? If it roast it or if it do some manufacturing process on that, then breaking of composite income will happen. 60% will be going into agriculture, 40% will be going into business income category. Everyone understood the point clearly? Yes, okay. Final touch before you write the notes. See, important. Treatment of composite business income in any other case. Rule number 7. I told you rule 7 so many times I told you. Either rule 7. What rule 7 significance is? There are so many other commodities in the world or in India which undergo both agricultural and commercial process, but the breaking into 60-40, 75-25, 65-35 is not available in those cases. Then what to do? See here, read. They read everyone for disintegrating. Do you know what is integration? Bringing together. Disintegration means what? Separation. Continue. For disintegrating composite business income which is partially agricultural and partially non-agricultural, then market value of the agricultural produce raised by him or received as rent in kind plus utilized as raw material in his business is deductible. Sir, what is this? I will tell you, just read. Next. No further deduction is permissible for any expenditure incurred as a cultivator. Read this point clearly first. Did you read? Did you read? Answer. This concept already I said to you. What I said previously, you got 100 crores revenue. Okay? From sale of sugar. 5 crores I said example. 5 crore came out of sale of what? Sugar or sugar cane? Sugar manufacturing you have done and sold. How much you got? Answer. In that 5, total agriculture, total non-agriculture, some percentage agriculture, non-agriculture. But percentage is decided or not decided? Then you can't decide. 20% agriculture, 80% non-agricultural or 70-30. Don't give proportions. Instead of proportions, lawmaker said like this. Business income how much? Let be here everyone. Business income, total income how much? Loudly. Minus deductible expenses are there. What is deductible? Deductible thing is Cost or market value of what? Agricultural produce raised by him or received as rent in kind, and very very important, utilized as a raw material in the business. Means how much sugar cane you purchased. Okay, how much worth sugar cane you purchased? Sir, I purchased sugar cane worth 80 lakhs. Worth 80 lakhs. Market value is 1 crore. I purchased at 80 lakhs. That is my cost. But what is the market value? I should deduct 5 crore minus 80 lakhs or 5 crore minus 1 crore? Minus 1 crore. We should not deduct your actual cost. We should deduct the market value. We should deduct the what is the market value prevailing that you need to reduce. Clear or not, everyone? So tell me, 5 crore minus 1 crore. How much is there? Loudly. So now answer my question. Here I am writing. So 5 crore. 5 crore is there, or I will write separately. Answer. Sugar cane, sugar. I purchased 100 kgs of sugar cane. Manufactured 40 kgs of sugar. Sugar cane is heavy weighted, na? Sugar will be very less weighted when you compare. Correct? 5 kgs of groundnuts if you take. How much? 5 kgs of groundnuts if you take, 1 kg of groundnut oil will come out. Understood? If you take 6 liters of milk, 1 liter of ghee will be prepared. And proportion la you can't get 6 liter ki 6 liter ghee. Correct or not? 5 kgs groundnut ki 5 kgs of oil will not come. And like that, this also same. 100 kg sugar cane, 100 kg sugar will not be produced. Only 40% will be the 60% wastage. So the main weight in the entire sugar cane is this pulp. Correct? Once the juice is extracted, only what will be left out? Pulp. That pulp will be heavy weighted than the sugar. So tell me, how much sugar cane is consumed? Loudly. 100 kgs. From that, how much sugar cane came out? Answer, sir. This 40 kgs of sugar cane I sold for 100 rupees each. Total revenue is how much? 4,000. How much? 4,000. Okay. Now 100 kgs na, each kg I purchased for 20 rupees. Tell me, how much is the cost? 2,000. Loudly. 2,000. The market value of this 1 kg is standing at 18 rupees only. Okay. Now tell me, I should deduct from this 4,000, 1,800 or 2,000? Loudly, everyone. 1,800 I should deduct. Okay. How much will be there? 2,200. Tell me, what is this 2,200? Business income. What is this 1,800? Agricultural income. This is exempt. This becomes taxable under the head PGBP. This is what he wanted to tell there. Did you understand the logic clearly or not? So, what should be deducted? What should be deducted? Market value of the agricultural produce. Market value of the agricultural produce. Okay. See here now. See here. Another question. What is purchased? Final product is what? How many kgs I purchased? How many kgs of sugar is produced? Loudly. Now you answer my question. I sold 40 kgs of sugar. Each kg at how much? Total revenue is how much? I purchased this at market value and cost both are same, 20 rupees. What I said? What is the market value? 20. Purchased at 20. So market value and cost both are same. 99 cases, so this only will happen. Generally in the market, if it is 1,800, why I will buy for 2,000? Example I gave that, but in general, market value and cost almost every time it will be same. So tell me, market value equal to what? Cost. Equal to how much? 20. 20 into 100 kgs, how much? 2,000. Loudly? 2,000. Okay. In this 100 kgs, 10 kgs is in raw material stock. 90 kgs is actually utilized in this sugar. Ante this 40 kg sugar came out not because of 100 kgs, because of consumption of how many kgs, sir? Now I should deduct from 4,000, okay, 90 into 20, 1800, or irrespective of whatever is consumed, 100 into 20, 2000. What should be deducted? 1800 deducted. That is the significance of this one. Do you understand the point or not? Not just whatever you purchased. I should see only whatever is actually utilized in the production of sugar. Understood the point clearly? So, everyone tell me, did you all understand this concept? Other than this, from the total income, you should not deduct any other income. Okay? The only thing you can deduct is market value of agricultural produce, which is used as a loudly, which is used as a that only has to be deducted from your income. Everyone understood the point clearly? Yeah? Third example. What is there? What is produced? Answer? Sugar. Okay, see here. From the sugar manufacturing, he manufactured how many kgs? How much is a sugar cane? Loudly? Now answer my question. In this sugar, he sold it 4,100 rupees. Totally how much revenue is gathered? What is 4,000? Total income from the sale of what? In this agriculture income is there, business income is there, both are there. We need to separate what and what? Agriculture income and non-agricultural income has to be separated now. Hello? How to separate is a question now. Tell me. What is SC? Some are not listening. What is SC? How many kgs of SC we purchased? 100 kgs. Please listen carefully. Please. In this 100 kgs, 90 kgs and 10 kgs separated. He purchased at market value of 20. Market value of 20. Purchase also made at a market price, market value. Now answer. 90 kgs he used for sugar manufacturing. Used it for sugar manufacturing. Remaining 10 kgs also utilized for manufacturing of unbreakable glass for his personal consumption. You know, sugarcane will be used to manufacture unbreakable glass. People will tell, glass is unbreakable. Unbreakable glasses will be there. Now, even if you throw, generally they don't break. Those all are made out of sugarcane. Sorry, I will give you an example. Police, whenever you see army, they will carry one shield type, transparent one. You know, na, transparent glass sheet will be there, correct? That is made out of sugarcane only. That is, main substance is sugarcane pulp. They will process into sheets and then they will layer with glass such that it will become sturdy. Bulletproof, people will tell, bulletproof is made out of sugarcane pulp. So with that they will use. For personal consumption, you utilize it for glass. Now tell me, in this case, 100 kgs is consumed or not consumed? In this case, 100% is consumed or not consumed? Answer. Deductible or not deductible? Not deductible because you must utilize that in the business. Not just utilization. In his business is a question here. Do you understand or not? So, just purchase and using for personal consumption do not make it utilization for the business. Na? So, from the business in total income to separate business, what is used for the business purpose only should be deducted, not everything. Did you know, understand all the three different cases or not? Not tested in exam like this, but if at all I have to prepare a question paper, definitely I will ask. So be very careful. All round scenarios you observe properly, then question paper become easy for you to understand. Sorry, did you understand the discussion what I meant now? So tell me, what we discussed, whenever disintegration has to happen other than for tea, coffee and rubber, how to make? Step 1. Forgot it. Step 1. Consider the total income. Reduce market value of agricultural produce raised or received. Okay? Reduce that amount. Listening? And that agricultural produce must be Utilized as a raw material. Utilized as a in his business. In such case, it will become a deductible expense. Clear? Any other deduction, labor, etc., deductible or not deductible? The moment you put labor into that, labor is not an agricultural expense. Labor is not a, not answering. Labor is not a, sugar cane is a agricultural expense for me. Sugar cane is a, therefore that market value of sugar cane only deductible. Labor, sir, all these things are, that will come under work in progress, goes into business expenditure. Goes into what expenditure? Yeah. That will be deductible from, balance left out of deduction. Tell me, in our example, 4,000 rupees is there, correct? 2,000 we will deduct. Balance how much is there? 2,000. What is the 2,000? You are not answering. What is the 2,000? Non-agriculture. What is that? Business income. From that business income, labor, overheads, all those things you can deduct. Balance will be the net profit. On that you will pay tax as per the business income point. Understood the point clearly? Yeah. That's how PGBP will work out in the next classes to come. First one, everyone tell me, understood clearly or not? Yes, understood everyone? Yes, what we completed now? Understanding the composite income. Okay? In other cases, other than tea, coffee and rubber. Now last situation. Sir, market value. What is market value? For that also there is a rule. Read. Where agricultural produce is ordinarily sold in the market in the raw state or after some process, then average price at which it is sold during relevant previous year. What price? You are not answering. What price? See, sugarcane prices during the year will be same or will be changing? Changing. There are, sir, hardly how many times it can change? Maybe 50-60 times it can change during a year. Correct or not? All that 50-60 prices you write, divided by 60. How many things you will take? Those many frequencies you have to divide. You will get one average price or not? That average price will be called as a market value. What do you mean by that? You need not go into the market and inquire. Take prevailed prices already, divided by the number of situations you have considered, will give you average price. Sir, I wanted to know average weight of students in the class. Average weight of students in the class. Let's say 100 students are there in this class. 100 will be there definitely. Now tell me, how to calculate average weight of students? That also you don't know how to calculate. Basic question. How to calculate average weight of students? I want one average answer. Take number of students totally. How many students are there? I have to calculate and add all the weights of the student. Understood? Maybe somewhere around 65, 70, 45, like that I will start. So, when I add all the 100, I will get one big number in thousands. Divided by? What you will get? Same do for sugarcane also, he is telling. Understood the point or not? There will be a price. How many times the price is changed? 20 times it changed. All 20 prices you write on a sheet. Total them. What you will get? Total 20 prices total will come. Divided by 20, you will get one average price or not. That average price should be taken as a market value. Understood the point or not? Next, continue. Where? Very important. Yeah, this question only will come in exam. Simple questions they don't ask. These type of questions they will come. Start. Where the agricultural produce is not ordinarily sold in. Sir, he is not sold in the market. He is not telling. He is not ordinarily sold in the market. Classic example, sugarcane. Normally you take sugarcane and put it for sale. Who will come and buy? Sugarcane juice people will buy. Are you understanding or not? Certain products don't have any ordinary market. Specialized persons only will buy. Sir, during festivals we may buy sugarcane. That too not heaps and heaps. One sugarcane we will buy. Are you understanding? For festivals or occasions, at home, we may buy sugarcane. Correct or not? That sugarcane was used as a decoration, not for consumption. Correct or not? when home, when you are entering, na, left side, right side, to sugarcane things we will attach. That is for what purpose? Consumption purpose, decoration purpose. That's the range of sugarcane in our daily life. There is no ordinary market for sugarcane. Who will buy sugarcane? Yeah? Two people will buy. Number one, persons who are doing sugarcane juice. Second one, sugar manufacturing companies. Are you understanding or not? Normal ordinary market will not be there for that. That's why if your product, sir, I will ask a question, tell me. I will ask a question. Cashew nuts will be there, na? Everywhere there is an ordinary market for that. If any normal shop also can sell cashew nuts packets or not. If they put, they will be sold. Ordinary market is already available for them. But certain things don't have a ordinary market. Sugarcane is a classic example. In that case, what will be called as market value of sugarcane? Please read. Number one. Bad response. Start again. Cultivator has to cultivate sugarcane plantation crop or not, everyone? For cultivating that, from the day 1 till day 365 or till day 200 days it will take for sugarcane crop to grow. For all these, if on a day-to-day basis, watering has to be done, ploughing has to be done, pesticides, insecticides, fertilizers, watering, electricity, so many things you have to spend on that land or not. All those put together I call as what? Expenses of cultivation. If land does not belong to him, cultivator, I am a cultivator, not the owner of the land. What I have to pay? Rent paid. Next, reasonable profit. All these three. Sir, profit who will decide? Assessing officer will decide. Income tax department officers are there. Who are they called as? That assessing officer will tell maximum you can add 10% profit. Like that they will decide. Clear? Tell me 3 parts. Number 1, expenses of cultivation. Second, rent paid. Third, reasonable profits assessed by assessing officer. All these 3 put together will become market value of that commodity. Everyone understood the point clearly? Yeah. So now tell me, market value how to determine? If it is having an ordinarily ready market available, then average of all the prices in the relevant previous year. If there is no ready saleable market for that, specialized industry only will buy them. In that case, very bad response. Answer, expenses of cultivation, rent paid and profit. In simple way, expenses, rent, profit. Again, expenses, rent, profit. These 3 will be added. Those 3 added, put together will be called as what? Market value. That you have to deduct from the total income to arrive at the business income. Everyone, did you understand the point clearly? Yeah. What we completed now? What we completed, that also you don't know what we completed. What we completed now? Composite business income in any other case. Means if there is a composite income of agriculture and business, any other case means what? Any other means what is there in the beginning? Tea, coffee, rubber. Other than these 3, any other business. This is how we have to bifurcate the agricultural income and non-agricultural income. Everyone understood the concept clearly? So this is the point I wanted to discuss. Okay. First, write down the notes. I will give enough time for you to copy. Write down what is required. Copy down the definition. This is a simplified version of definition. I did not write as it is from the Bare Act. I have written only what is required for the exam if they ask a question. Write down. Have you written the first branch? So write down the third point also. Third concept, urban agricultural land. Do you remember the meaning of this diagram? How to read this? There is a agricultural land located in a area which is within the jurisdiction of a municipality whose population is not less than 10,000, also called as more than or equal to 10,000. Then we call such a land as a urban agricultural land. Distance must be seen or need not be seen? Need not be seen if it is within the municipality limits. If it is outside the municipality limit, distance concept also will come into picture. Completed this content in the page. So this diagram is relating to urban agricultural land ki one of the options of becoming urban agricultural land. Okay. Next, second option. So this is A, another one is B. Any agricultural land situated in an area comprised within the jurisdiction of municipality having a population of at least 10,000. That is normal condition. Next one is a B option, diagrammatic presentation again. Completed writing this? Completed? Can you go to the next one? So, explain this particular concept. How to understand the third one? How to understand the third one? There is an agricultural land situated in an area which is not located within the municipality but is located not more than 8 kilometers away from the municipality, whose population is more than 10 lakhs. More than? So, such a big municipality ki 8 kilometers distance lo you are there. Though you are not within the reach or you are not within the municipality limits, still you will be treated as a urban agricultural land, and the building in which that particular building is located, income coming out of it will not be treated as a agricultural income, it will be treated as income from house property. Understood the point clearly or not? So, distance should be considered as a normal walking distance or a bike, car riding distance. No, we should consider what? Aerial distance. Okay? People call it as a crow flying distance. Crow flying distance. So that's what people call. It's on a horizontal plane, it will go. So that particular thing we need to cover. Sorry. Not to be measured in terms of approach by road. That's what we discussed. Okay? Analysis you did not write. This all I can just give the document at the time, you can read and complete. Yesterday we completed all these things or not? Notes writing, I said don't write unnecessarily. Okay? But one thing you need to have a clarity. See, building, if it is located in a building, tell me, first condition number 1, when building income will be treated as agricultural income? Read. Building is occupied by cultivator or receiver of rent in kind. Okay. Second, it is in the immediate vicinity of agricultural land in India. Next, such a person by reason of connection with that agricultural land requires it as a dwelling house or as a storehouse. Next, land is assessed to land revenue or local rate, or it is a rural agricultural land. What is a rural agricultural land? Supra. Supra means already provided in the previous pages. English word, it's a Latin term. Supra represents something is discussed earlier. I need not again tell that supra means go back and refer. Understood the point or not? So that's the point. Whenever you read any good publications, they will write supra. Supra means what is the supra? You should not ask. It's a shortcut to any person's name. No. Supra represents already referred. Go back and read that. Rural agricultural land is what? What is a rural agricultural land? Any land other than urban agricultural land will become rural agricultural land. What is urban agricultural land? Supra. Go back and read. Understood the point or not? Write down this. This is important. Analysis on section 2, class 1A, subclass C. Important discussion. Write down. Completed writing? All the 4 conditions have you written? So next one. So we have completed how the building value will be assessed to the agricultural income part. So that's what we have discussed now. So once after this, we went into the next concept. Very, very important discussion for the today's session. Income which is partly agricultural and partly business income. Write down. Keep the heading. Income which is partly agricultural and partly the business income. Completed the table? Table, not the contents fully. Table content have you written? So first one is activity, growing and manufacturing tea, rule 8. 60% agriculture, 40% business. Rubber, manufacture of rubber, rule 7A. 65% agriculture and 35% business. Growing of coffee in India, rule 7B. 2 cases will come. Case 1 75 and 25, case 2 60 and 40. Table completed? Table content completed? Write down the note 1. Note 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 note points are there. Write down them clearly. Completed writing? 4 note points have you written, everyone? This covers all kinds of composite business or only 3 kinds? Only 3. Any other than these 3 will come under the next category of calculations. Up to here, have you completed? So tell first, if it is any other business other than these 3 specified businesses, which is having a composite income, how the division will be made? If it is any other business other than these 3, but it is a composite business, then how to do? How to divide? How to disintegrate? From the total income derived, we have to reduce market value of the agricultural produce raised or received in kind. So we have to reduce that. But which is used as a raw material in his business, that part only has to be deducted. Now question will arise, then what do you mean by market value? Market value is of two types. If it is already having an ordinary market, not having an ordinary market. If it's having an ordinary market, average of the prices in the relevant previous year. Okay? If it doesn't have an ordinary market, general consumption of people don't buy that. In that case, we need to take three things into consideration. Expenses of cultivation. Second one will be rent paid, if any. If it is owned, no problem. Or else rent paid we need to consider. And the third important thing is profit which is assessed by the assessing officer. That's why they call it reasonable profit. These three you will add, that's called as a market value. I think you understood what I said, everyone in the class. Okay. Right now. Treatment of composite business income in any other case. Have we completed the up to here? Read on how to determine market value. Have you completed writing everything? So with this, we have completed notes regarding the agricultural income concept. We have completed up to the concept of composite income. What is left for us to do is, we need to do some illustrations now. Are you listening? Some examples. Illustrations if you do, you will get more clarity on this particular concept. Up to here, everyone had a clarity, yeah? So let us continue. On the composite business and agricultural income, we are going to see two different illustrations. Illustration number 1. Let us read the question. Number 1. Assessment year 24-25. Assessee is a company, X Limited. Business is growing of sugarcane for sugar manufacturing. So he is doing which business? Which business he is doing? Sugar business he is doing. But to have the sugar, first what we need to have? Sugar cane. Sugar cane is an agricultural commodity or non-agricultural commodity? So they are only doing two businesses, growing of sugar and manufacturing of sugar. Growing of sugar cane and manufacturing of sugar. Both the activities the same person is doing now. Now the question arises, how to assess to the tax? First tell me, sugar will come under specified businesses, not under specified business. Specified business means three businesses are there, tea, coffee, rubber. In the three specified businesses, sugar will come or will not come? Then how to calculate the agriculture and non-agricultural portion? So the total income we have to consider, and what we need to reduce out of it? Yes. So tell me, market value has to be reduced. Market value not given. Then what to do? That means market value, how to calculate? If there is no ready market for that, then how to do? Expenses of cultivation, rent paid, or any other expense, or any other profit, reasonable profit we need to add in, we need to deduct that from the total income. Balance will become the business income of the assessee. If you remember, yes or no? Read the question now. Hey, listen. So first thing, assessment year 25, 26 means previous year 24, 25. Assessee is X Limited. Business is growing of sugar cane for sugar manufacturing. Don't write anything. First listen. Particulars. Cultivation of sugar cane 6 lakhs. What is that 6 lakh? Cost of cultivation of sugar cane. Starting from putting the seed till the end crop comes into picture, lot of expenses farmer has to incur or not? How much is spent on that? 6 lakh. That particular product which is costing 6 lakh has a market value of 9 lakhs. Has a market value of? Okay, has a market value of 9 lakh. Had it been only that business, my business is only growing of sugarcane and selling it. Tell me, how much is the cost? See the screen, I use common sense. My business is not sugar. My business is only sugarcane. I am a farmer. I will buy sugar, I will manufacture, I will produce sugarcane and sell. That's all. If that is my business, tell me, my only income will become which income? My only income will become which income? When it will become agricultural income? If the only business is growing of sugarcane, selling it in the market in the sugarcane form, without adding any kind of business elements into that. Are you listening? Tell me. Now you answer my question clearly. How much cost I incurred? I repeat, how much cost I incurred to prepare, to cultivate the sugarcane? Huh? I am capable of, I am not selling, I am capable of selling that 6 lakh crop at how much price? Answer? So tell me, what is my net agricultural income now? 3 lakhs is my net agricultural income. If I had only agricultural income. What I said, if had we don't have any kind of sugar business, my business will be agricultural income. How much will be my net income on agriculture? 9 lakhs is my sale price, 6 lakhs is my cost, 3 lakh will be my agriculture income. That complete 3 lakh is exempted from tax. Correct? But here I am having only sugar cane, also sugar manufacturing. Therefore, answer my question now. How much I spent on manufacturing? What is the first 6 lakh? What is the second 6 lakh? First 6 lakh is to cultivate sugar cane. Second 6 lakhs is to convert that sugar cane into sugar. Are you understanding? So how much I spent on manufacturing? And I sold it for how much? Loudly? But to manage the entire company, I require one managing director or not? To that fellow, I paid 2 lakhs. Understood? So tell me, how much I paid in total? So observe now clearly. Roughly, I will do this question. First, listen carefully. What is the total sales? Loudly? This 22 lakhs is having sugar or sugar cane? Both. Try to understand. This 22 lakh I can sell only if I manufacture sugarcane first. Only if I manufacture sugarcane in the first place. Okay? Now answer my question clearly. Please listen. Just before we discussed, how much is the business component, how much is the agricultural component? Okay? Tell me, how much is the business component? What is deductible from this 22 minus market value of sugarcane used in the production process? Okay? Tell me how much? 9. I can reduce the 9 or not? Because this 9 is purely agriculture in nature. Remove that part first. Understood or not? Next what I can remove? Next what I can remove? Now listen carefully to the point. See here. My point is, Asal, what do you mean by market value? What do you mean by market value? If there is no saleable market, ready available market, then how to calculate? Cost of cultivation plus rent plus what? Profit plus what? This all will become what? Market value of sugarcane. Here market value of sugarcane is given as how much? Sir, up to here, did you understand the question clearly? Yeah? Parts in, small bits and pieces, we will do the answer. You can understand easily. How to do that calculation is the second part. While we are doing together, I will explain. But before that, idea behind this question, did you understand clearly? Yeah? Assessee is only growing sugarcane, also manufacturing sugar. There is only agriculture activity, also a commercial activity. Now, is it comes under specified 3 businesses, not under 3 businesses? So, percentage is there or not there? So, we have to quantify the business portion and agricultural portion. Everyone understood the concept clearly? Yes, write down the question first. Answer, we will do it together. Write down the question clearly. Have you written the question? Completed reading the question? See, first question for you. Do we require to calculate market value or market value already given? Answer. Already given. So you need not separately calculate anything. One clarity. See, don't do any answer. I will do that in a proper way. First listen. So first answer. In this question, hey, listen please. In this question, income is broadly classified into two parts. Tell me, income is classified into two categories in this particular question. What is the first component called as? Which component? Loudly everyone. So first one is agricultural in nature. Second one is business income in nature. So two kinds of incomes are there. First, agricultural income. Let us use an amount of common sense and try to understand. Tell me, very easy to understand. Agricultural income. Tell, I will write. First, I have given in lakhs. So tell me, particulars. What is the market value of sugar cane? How many lakhs here? 9 lakhs. Minus cost of cultivation. Tell me, what is the cost of cultivation? 6 lakh. So cost of cultivation came to 6 lakh. So now you tell me, what is the net agricultural income? This net agricultural income 3 lakh is taxable or not taxable? Everyone? So first observation number one is this particular 3 lakhs will be exempt under section 10 clause 1. So taxable or exempt? Because already we discussed pure agriculture income is taxable in India or not taxable? Loudly. Okay. Next. Now you will answer the second one. Are they most important in this discussion? Tell me, what is our second source of income? Business. This you apply some amount of common sense and answer this properly. See, next income is our business income. Don't write anything along with me, please. I will give time for you to copy. First answer to this. Now tell me, first one. See the question there. You have written the question, first tell me, how much is the sales turnover of sugar? One by one you tell me the answer. First one, sales turnover of sugar, not sugar cane, sugar. Tell me how much? 22 lakhs. First tell me, this is what income? This is what income? Business, agriculture, both? Both put together, this is a composite income. Correct or not? From this, what I need to reduce? Market value of what? Sugar cane. Tell me how much I need to reduce? 9 lakhs. Balance is called as gross business income. Called as what income here? Gross business income. Tell me, what is the gross business income? 22 minus 9. How much? Now, entire 13 lakhs is taxable? No. Some business expenses we incurred. See the question, don't see my face. What are the two business expenses? Manufacturing costs. Okay. Next. Salary paid to whom? MD. Okay. Salary paid to MD. Overall basis we pay salary. Tell me, how much is our manufacturing cost? This 6 lakh, both are same or different? I am talking about this 6 and this 6. Both are same or different? This 6 is what? Cultivation cost. This 6 is what? Manufacturing cost. Tell me, what is the salary paid to MD? Now finally you tell the answer. What is the net business income? This is agriculture or non-agriculture? Non-agriculture income. Please tell the final answer. 5 lakhs. So now up to here we completed. Up to here understood everyone? Now you finally give an answer. This portion, taxable, not taxable? Everyone loudly? But you should tell me another very important point. Taxable under which head? Which head? That's it. This is the answer for that particular question. Everyone, did you understand the question and answer clearly? So tell me, how to understand this particular question? First, totally there is a composite income, only agriculture, only non-agriculture, combination. We have to bifurcate into two parts. Number one will be agricultural. Number two will be business. Agriculture, when you bifurcate, first take the market value of the sugar cane. Reduce the cost at which you purchase. Balance will become the agricultural income. Clarity, that 3 lakhs is completely exempted from tax. Undoubtedly no tax on that. Second part, read. Business. Okay. Now listen. When you are taking the business income, how beautifully lawmakers will write the provisions, observation required. Tell me, what is the market value? Hey, answer. 9 lakhs. Okay, 9 lakh. See how beautifully they write certain things. 9 lakhs you are deducting, correct? He has given in the question now. He did not give you. What you will do? How you calculate? Average is also not given. How to calculate the market value? Expenses of what? 6 lakh. Okay. Profit 3 lakh. Already we got. Totally 9 lakh. Are you understanding the point or not? Means you are not eligible to take extra deduction beyond that. Profit already added, cost of cultivation added, are both together 9 lakhs. Are you understanding or not? That's why again 6 lakhs will not be deducted here, because in that 9 lakh already 6 lakh is there. In that 9 lakh, what are the two things that are there? Cost of cultivation is there. Rent anyway not given. What is also there? Profit is also there. What is also there? So anyway, in that two things are already included, 6 and 3. Again 6 lakh you should not deduct here because of that reason. Understood everyone? And you should not do like this. 22 lakh minus 9 lakh minus 6 lakh equal to some amount minus again 6 lakh. Like that you should not do. In this 9 lakh deducted market value, what are the two things that are there? Cost of cultivation 6 lakhs is there. Profit element of 3 lakhs is also there. Already deducted. Again, you should not deduct 2 times. Did you understand the point clearly? So tell me. Only business component you should tell me now. Tell me. Sales turnover of sugarcane. How much? In this 22, business component is there. Agricultural component is there. Both are there. Remove which component? Agriculture component. What should be deducted? Market value. Deducted. How much is this? 13. Total net is how much? Yeah. So that will be the gross. Loudly. Gross. Why it is business income suddenly? Agricultural component is removed from the total component. Start again. Bad response. Start again. Sales turnover of sugar. How much? This 22 lakhs is a business component or agricultural component? Both. From that what component we removed? Deducted what? Market value of the sugar cane. We deducted. So agricultural component called as sugar cane came out. What is the balance left out? Business part is left out. Adi netta grossa? Gross. But business expenses are also there or not? What are the two business expenses? Manufacturing cost and salary paid to managing director. So balance will become how much? 5 lakh. This 5 lakh is what income? This 5 lakh is what income? Net business income. This is assessed to tax or exempted? Assessed to tax. Under what head? PGBP. Everyone understood the concept? Huh? How that will be done? That we will see in PGBP chapter. So understood the idea behind this clearly? Yeah? Yes, please copy down the answer. Completed? Everyone answer, have you completed this? Okay. First of all, everyone tell me, did you understand how to bifurcate the business income and agriculture income? So this is how the basic calculations look like. So we completed illustration number 1. Second illustration also let us do, but you don't do, first see the screen. Easy one, comparatively, very easy. Assessee is Y Limited. Business is growing and manufacturing of tea in India. Assessment year 25-26. And for this year we are doing the assessment. Sale turnover of tea. Tell me, how much is the sale turnover of tea? 45 lakh. Expenses in growing? 20 lakh. Manufacturing expenses? 15 lakh. This is the data given. Are you listening? Tell me, what is the sales turnover of tea? What is the sales turnover of tea? Tell me, tea comes under specified business, tea comes under non-specified business. Therefore, already bifurcation was given. Already bifurcation was given. Means what? Calculate the net business income. Net income. Calculate the net income. Bifurcate into two parts. 40% will become the business income. 60% will become the agricultural income. See the screen and tell. What is the sales value of tea? What is the expenses totally to grow? 35 lakhs. Because 45 lakhs is the sales turnover. I have two expenses. Growing expenses, manufacturing expenses. Tell me. Growing expense is a agriculture expense or business expense? Agriculture expense. Manufacturing is business expense. 45 is total income. Total income from dash and dash. Both agricultural and non-agricultural. So, from the total agricultural and non-agricultural income, reduce both total agricultural and non-agricultural expenses. Okay? What is the net income? What is the net income? In that, how much part will be treated as an agricultural income? 60%. How much will be treated as non-agricultural? That's how the answers has to be given. Everyone understood the logic clearly? Let's do it together. And moreover, see then another question. Calculate the taxable income in the case supra and the above case. Second, calculate the taxable income if the same info in the case he carries on coffee business. Instead of tea business, if he carries on coffee business, how the answer will change, he is asking. Did you understand the question? Tell me, if he carries on coffee business, what will happen? No, again two situations will come. See, growing and curing only done. Next one, growing, curing, roasting, grounding. All the things are done. Percentages will be same or different? Answer. First you tell me, 45 minus 35 equal to 10. That is common across all the cases or not? First we need to calculate the net income. What we have to calculate? Tell me, what is the total income? Start again. Not here. Mind is not present. Start again. What is the total income? In that, what is the, that is agricultural, non-agricultural, both are. That's why we call it composite income. What income? From that composite expenditure you reduce. Composite expenditure means both agricultural and non-agricultural expenses you reduce. Whatever is left out is the net component composite income. Net. In that net composite income, how much will be forming part of agriculture part? If it depends on the type of business you are carrying on. Tea means 60-40. Coffee only growing and curing 75-25. Coffee growing, curing, roasting, grounding 60-40. Shall we do the answer now? Let's do together. Keep the heading. Have you written the question? No, no? Then write down the question first. Written the question? Let us do the answer together. Write down first. First one. Write down, please. Step 1. Calculation of net composite income. So write down calculation of net composite income. First. Sales turnover of T. Tell me, what is the sales turnover of T? Minus, what is the first one? Growing expenses. How much we spent? Next, another thing also should be reduced. Manufacturing expenses. How much it is? Finally, net composite income is so net composite income comes to rupees 10 lakhs. See, answer my question. This 10 lakh rupees is bifurcated into how many parts? Two. This 10 lakh rupees is bifurcated into how many parts? Two parts, depending on the type of business we are doing. Okay. So now answer my question. This 10 lakh can be divided into three categories. Give a down arrow, three branches. Or two branches, give it first. Two branches. First branch, tea business. Second one, coffee business. Tea business, give a down arrow. Everyone write the notes properly. Break it into two parts. Guess what are the two parts? Agriculture and business. Understood the answer up to here? Next one is a coffee business. Do you understand the answer clearly? So tell me, if my coffee business is only on growing and curing, then how much part will be agricultural? 75. So 75% of what? 10 crore, 10 lakhs. So how much will be the answer? How many lakhs? Yeah. 7.5 lakhs. And how much will be the business income? 2.5 lakh. 60-40, same answer. 6 lakh and 4 lakh. So finally, the conclusion is, write down, in all cases, agricultural income component, agricultural income component is taxable or exempt? Is exempt from tax under section 10(1). So with this, we completed composite income and understanding how to bifurcate them. First of all, everyone tell me, did you all understand the concept clearly? Yeah. So we have done also good illustrations to understand what really they wanted to convey. Okay. So we have done for tea business, coffee with the grounding and curing. Next one is a grounding, curing, roasting, etc. Other processes also done. In that cases, 75-25 in one case, 60-40 in another case. Up to here, are you all having a full clarity on the concept, everyone? Okay. Next. So we have completed illustrations on composite business income along with agricultural income. Here all started. From here we started this particular concept, agricultural income. So up to here we have written. Up to here. Next, just to see what we are still going to do in agricultural income concept. Please see here. What is the concept? Hey, see the screen and read. The main important concept in this particular area will be the scheme of partial integration. Conditions of applicability. First one. After that we are going to see computation procedure. Step computation procedure will be there. Meaning I will tell you when we come there. On that, understanding some notes. After that we will be going into instances of agricultural and non-agricultural incomes. Means case laws are there given by the court. What is agricultural and what is non-agricultural? See there. Fee for grazing, rent receipts, compensation, share of profit from a firm. Okay, how it will become taxable and how the income will be bifurcated between agriculture and non-agriculture in case of a firm. So this was happened in the case of CIT versus Chidambaram Pillai. Madras High Court has given the judgment on that. And instances of non-agricultural income we will write in the class. Clear everyone? Okay. Then this particular area will get completed by doing some grand illustrations. See the screen. So illustration number 1, illustration number 2, illustration number 3, illustration number 4, illustration number 5, still illustration number 6, 7, 8 are there. Are you listening? 6, 7, 8 if possible we will do, generally not possible. Tomorrow's session we will take and complete, but up to here we have to complete in the today's class. Clear? After this I will give you introduction to the next chapter called as income from house property. So then remaining problems in this area, how many illustrations we will do in this set? 5. After doing 5 illustrations, 6, 7, 8 are advanced problems that in this particular chapter called as agriculture income. Listening? That we can do later also, no problem. So first we will start with the next area called as income from house property. We will start first. Clarity everyone? Even before going into that, please see the screen once. Scheme of partial integration. Let me first tell you about what is this concept. Please listen first. Scheme of partial integration. First thing, to whom this will apply? This is the first question. Asali, to whom it apply? Everyone? No. It applies only for 3 important persons. Individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, AJP. That's it. Okay? Those who joined new to the classes, I will not expect answer from you because you don't know. But the remaining who have already completed the basics of income tax, you must tell the answer for this question. What is common across all these people I have written on the screen? Perfect. That's the, what is that? Tax rates. See, whoever I have written here, individual HUF, AOP, BOI and AJP, for all these people, slab rates are applicable. What rates here? Loudly? Slab benefit is taken by all these people. Slab rates means what? Those who are new, listen carefully. If I get a salary of, for example, Kaushik Mukesh is there. I comes under individual category. I will come under individual category. If I earn 5 lakh rupee, if I earn 10 lakh rupee, okay, entire 10 lakhs is not taxed at a particular rate. 0 to 2 lakh 50, no tax. Repeat, from what to what? 2 lakh 50. There are 2 regimes. Okay, regular regime, alternate regime are there. I don't want to confuse the new students. So that's why regular tax regime I am going to tell. Are you listening? When we learn about the basics, I will tell you what is alternate, what is regular, everything we will discuss there. Normal understanding you take first. Point number 1. 0 to 2 lakh 50, no tax. 0 to? Tax or no tax? And Kaushik Mukesh is earning 10 lakh. అంటే in that 10 lakh, first 2 lakh 50 flat, no tax on that. Balance how much is there? Hey, participate everyone. 7 lakh 50,000 is there. That 7 lakh 50 again is not taxed at a single rate. Again there are 3 slab rates are there. Are you listening? 0 to 2 lakh 50, no tax. 2 lakh 50 to 5 lakh. 2 lakh 50 to 5% tax. How much tax? 5% tax. Everyone? 5% tax. Means how to understand the 5% tax concept? How to understand 5%? 2 lakh 50 to 5 lakh. Now, how much extra income is there? 2 lakh 50. That 2 lakh 50 into 5%, 12,500. How much? How much? Done. Over. Next, 5 lakh to 10 lakh. Loudly. 5 lakh to 20%. 5 lakh to 10 lakh. 20%. Tell me, how much balance is there? 5 lakh to 10 lakh? 5 lakh. Into 20%, 1 lakh. And my net tax liability is how much? 12,500 plus 1 lakh. Total tax liability will be 1 lakh 12,500. Did you all understand my point or not? Yes, so now you all people will tell. New, old, all students should tell this. To what extent not taxable? That 2 lakh 50 is called as a basic exemption limit. Loudly. Basic exemption limit. How much? Regular tax regime 2 lakh 50 is the basic exemption limit. Alternate tax regime is also there. Which regime here? Alternate tax. There 2 lakh 50 will not apply. 3 lakh will apply. Listening? Huh? So I don't want to confuse the students in the class. Therefore I will take all the problems on the basis of regular tax regime. Same applicable also for alternate tax regime. Amounts will change. Do you understand? If you understand the concept clearly, numbers only will change. Concept will remain the same. Okay? See, what I am trying to explain is scheme of partial integration will be very, very important because of 2 reasons. Number 1, agriculture income question will come in exam. Second thing is, whenever you do questions on individual tax liability computation, whose tax liability? Individual tax. 14 marks question will come. I said, nah. In that adjustment, they will give agriculture income. What will be given? Adjustment. And 14 marks, a 3 marks adjustment will be there. That will be from agriculture income. At that time, you have to understand the scheme of partial integration. Understood? Then only you will be able to write the answer properly in the exam. Or else, 14 marks, 3 marks gone. Because of that, final answer will go wrong. Because of that, another 2 marks gone. 14 marks will get only 7 or 8 marks. Understood? So that's why extremely important scheme of partial integration. Not normally important. Because in real life practice, you ask me, if there are 100 clients, 100 clients, almost 70 clients will have agriculture income. 100 70 will have agriculture. In that 70, 65 will have SOPI. Scheme of partial integration. Reason is very clear. Only farmer, why they will come to me? Understood? First thing, I live in Hyderabad. It's a pakka metro city. Metro city, why farmers will be there? Understood? Farmers lives in villages, not in urban cities. And every day from Hyderabad, he will go 70-80 kilometers to the rural area. They will do agriculture and come back to Hyderabad again. No one will do. In general, I have no farmers in my taxes. So no client of mine is a pakka farmer. They are having business income as well as agriculture income. That category more. Whenever you have business income and agriculture income, you will come under scheme of partial integration. Sir, you have just read, sir, composite, same. Composite income is different. Scheme of partial integration is different. Listen carefully. You have to understand the difference. Composite income concept will come only when agricultural income, the total income has 2 components. One is agriculture as well as business. Here that's not the point. I am having, say for example, laptop manufacturing. I am also growing paddy. Now it is composite income. Answer, yeah. And if you, paddy will become laptop. Paddy is a raw material to manufacture laptop. Then definitely it will become a composite income category. Agriculture should be raw material. Output is a non-agricultural commodity, then we will get the concept of composite income. Listening? Coffee bean becoming coffee powder, composite. Tea leaf becoming tea grain, composite. Liquid rubber becoming latex, composite income. Listening? Sugar cane becoming sugar, composite income. Cashew fruit becoming half nut cashew, composite income. Listening, everyone? Paddy becoming laptop. Now did you understand? This is a composite income. Your income is having both agriculture and non-agriculture income, sir. Your income, you are not here. Please listen carefully. Answer again. Point number 1. I am having 2 businesses. One paddy field. Second one, laptop manufacturing. Okay, na? Now tell me, paddy is the raw material for laptop, huh? No. That means paddy is my... Not answering. Paddy is my... Start again. Paddy is my... Agriculture income. Laptop sale will be... Laptop sale will be... So my income is consisting of 2 different kinds of incomes now. Number 1, agricultural income. Number 2, business income, also called as a non-agricultural income. So whenever your income is having both agricultural as well as non-agricultural, agricultural part will be obviously taxable or not taxable? Taxable or exempted? Strictly speaking, exempted. But department don't want to give that exemption. Reason, you are already having which income? Loudly, you are already having which income? Business income. Now you are telling you are also having what income? Agriculture income. There is every chance business income is diverted into agriculture, and then you are claiming that this is all agriculture income. My clients are doing that only. Okay, na? Satisfied? We are all doing like that only in real life. Business income, some part we will tell it came from agriculture, we claim exemption. Understood? Department don't want to give full advantage. See, point is, on person to person basis, see, Kaushi Mukesh is having 100 clients or 70 clients are having agriculture. In that 65 are under SOP category. Correct? Department of Income Tax will send people to all the 65 persons, interrogate them, check whether really they are having agriculture income on. Is it really easy? India is having crores of population, yeah. Therefore, government says that if you have agricultural and non-agricultural income, if you have, not being composite business, normal business, agriculture is separate, non-agriculture is separate. You have how many incomes? Bad response. You are having how many incomes? 2 incomes if you are having agricultural and non-agricultural. Government cannot go to each and every person and check whether this agricultural income is a genuine agricultural income or business income tainted as agricultural income. Impossible. Correct or not? Income tax department hardly have 1 lakh staff. How much? 1 lakh staff they are. 1 lakh or 1.5 lakh staff are there. Assessing team. India population 140 crore. Taxpayers category 7.5 crore. 7.5 crore, the people who are having agriculture income will be somewhere around 1.5 2 crores. 2 crore people ki 1 lakh people. Ratio itself is see how it is. Do you understand the point? 2 crore people ki 1 lakh staff are there. And for every 2,000 people, 1 officer is there. Is it really possible? Impossible. On one basis, Department of Income Tax can't go to Kaushi Mukesh, open your books of accounts, show me agriculture, where the lands are located, in this land, how much cultivation chance is there, paddy bags, you have shown 1 lakh paddy bags, whether this land really have that capacity or not. Is it possible? Impossible. I am telling it is a near to impossibility. It can't do like that. Therefore, government said like this. Are you having agricultural income? Yes. Are you having non-agricultural income? Yes. I deem that you are a cheater. First point. Okay? Definitely you are a cheater. With that reason only you started agricultural income. Are you understanding or not? So we deem that you are a cheater. That's all. There is no second point in that. 100% you started agriculture income only to cheat the department, showing this agriculture, non-agriculture income as a agricultural income and claim exemption. We don't wanted to give you that. Understood? That's why government is not against to farmers. Government is against to the pseudo farmers. You know what is the meaning of pseudo? P-S-E-U-D-O. Pseudo means what? In reality, they are not that. Shown as agriculturist. Listening everyone? Sir, my client is there. Names irrelevant. He is having colleges he will run. He is having agricultural fields. Now he is a farmer. He is a farmer. Morning 4 o'clock he will go. Lungita. He will go to agricultural field. He will not. Why he started? Why he has agricultural lands? That doesn't have any growth also. Non-fertile lands. Nonsense land. Do you know what they will do? There they will inquire and they will tell what can grow in this land. Red chilies can be grown. How many red chilies can grow in my land? Farmer can tell, na, if you can't tell, you are a nonsense fellow. But farmer will know na, how much will be grown. So he will tell, sir, in this you can have somewhere around 1 ton of chilies every year. 1 ton. Okay. Then we will have 2 tons. Okay. 2 ton of chilies. Into each ton will be sold at how much? Sir, each ton of chili can be sold at 5 lakh. So 5 lakh into 2, 10 lakh. So 10 lakh black money can be converted now into white money through this agricultural land. Understood? If assessing officer really, your horoscope is very bad. Rahu Gandam time you filed your return of income. He caught you. He came to that agricultural land. He came to Guntur. Very popular for chilies. Guntur Karam. Extremely popular. So that's why he really came to Guntur. He said, show the agricultural land. He went. Where? This. Where is chili? Over yet. Hey, this is not the season to harvest. Na? It has to grow. Assessing officer. How much you want? So immediately this is what happening in reality. Are you understanding or not? I told na staff is not there. Even if staff is deployed to do na. Tell, you want 1 kg chili? So this is what happening. What is the logic of reading all this? But rule you should know na before learning all this nonsense. So that's why we are reading the rule. That's all. Actually followed means no one is followed. But one thing is clear. SOP is fixed. Okay, you can't do anything because filing of return of income will happen through a software called as Computex. Are you listening to what I said? Return of income will be filed in a software called as a Computex. So there are 2-3 softwares are there to file the return of income. One is popular one. In our office we use Computex. Some people also will use Winman. Some people will use Zoho Books. Zoho Books I don't think anyone is using today. So there are so many softwares. Tally is there. Which one? But Tally you can't file return of income. Return can be prepared. Filing will be done through Computex again. Listening? Computex the moment you put agriculture and non-agriculture, whatever we are doing today, software will do that. Listening? That software is linked to income tax department. Means the moment you file your return of income, first department will come to know. Some person has filed his return of income, SOP is involved in that. And whatever we are going to learn today in the stepwise procedure in SOP, in real life it is not done by you. Who will do that? You put the number, software will do all those wrong things and they will give the final result. But as an auditor, you should know whether software has done right or wrong or not. For that we have to learn these things. Listening? Answer, sir? And first class, second class, small paya will be there. Okay, that fellow will go to school, he will learn additions. You will tell, hey, anyway, when you grow up, calculators will be there. Anyway, when you grow up, this Excel will be there. In Excel, you need not total. Automatically, it will only total. So, don't learn additions and subtractions. Did you understand what I said? Actually, when you are grown up, become a buffalo, then what we are doing actually? We are actually calculating and you are doing like this. 383 plus 420 means take 3 fingers, 3 after 4. Like that you are doing a over action. Do you understand my point or not? But we learned like that only or not? That does not mean everything you learn you will put it in practice. Yeah, so you should know how that came. Same SOAP also. In real life, we don't do any scheme of partial integration. You put the numbers in the software, it will only do 2 seconds, it will give answer. How much is agricultural and how much is non-agricultural component, software will give. But still, you should know how that is calculated. For that, we have to do this. And moreover, exam what software you will use? You have to do. Understood or not? Exam you will tell, go and see Computex. Put the numbers, you will get result. Why you are asking me? In that case, entire income tax is software. So paper you should write. Why you are asking all these questions to me? Go to Computex. Put the numbers, you will get the answer. Like that we can't tell. That's why we are learning. So now tell me, what is the concept we are going to learn? Scheme of partial integration. First, let us understand conditions and take a break. After the break, we will continue doing the problems on SOAP. Okay? See, one by one. First one. What is the first one? Taxpayer is an individual, RHUF, RAOP, RBOI, RAJP. For the new students, I have to tell the abbreviation and the expansion. HUF, Hindu Undivided Family. Everyone repeat. Hindu Undivided Family. AOP, Association of Persons. Association of Persons. BOI, Body of Individuals. Body of AJP, Artificial Juridical Person. Artificial Juridical Person. Expand all the names. What is the first one? Totally you tell. Taxpayer is a? Bad response. Start again. Taxpayer is a? Or Hindu Undivided Family, or Association of Persons, or Body of Individuals, or Artificial Juridical Persons. Meaning, one batch already know. New batch, when we go to the basics, I will explain what they are. As of now, listen here. These all people have to pay tax in India. Look. To all these people, slab concept I told na, that will apply. What will apply? Slab concept. What do you mean slab concept? 0 to 2,50,000. Tax illa. 2,52,000. 5 lakh. 5%. 5 to 10. 20. 10 and above. 30. This is called a slab. Means what you have to understand? Company, partnership firm, LLP, cooperative society, these all have standard rates of tax. Ante from 1 rupee itself 30% tax. I'm talking to you, yeah? 0 to 2,50,000, no tax. 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, all those business will not be there. For a company, what will happen? From 1 rupee, if for example a company got only 1 rupee profit, in that 1 rupee also government will take 30 paisa. Slab or no slab? Slab concept will not apply. Slab concept will not apply to whom? Company, firm, LLP, cooperative societies, etc. Other than these 5, all others are having slab rate or flat rate. Wherever flat rate is there, SOAP will not apply. Will not. Will not. Do you know what does it mean? Anyway you are paying a low rate or higher rate. From slab, from the beginning. Therefore, complete agriculture income, I will give exemption to you. So, do you understand the logic clearly? Yeah? Answer, yeah? Yes, I am a company. I am a non-agriculture income 1 crore. Non-agriculture income? 1 crore. Agriculture income 40 lakh. Agriculture income? 40 lakh. Tell me, what will happen to me? That 40 lakh is subjected to SOAP or not subjected to SOAP? Reason I will tell you. 1 crore, in that, from the first 1 rupee itself, you are going to pay how much tax? 30% tax. Since you are already suffering a tax at higher rate on non-agriculture income, agriculture income, government will completely exempt from taxation. Are you listening? Yes, this is the thing. But same thing when it comes to individual like me, you, everyone. Our revenue 20 lakh. 10 lakhs agriculture, 10 lakhs non-agriculture. 10 lakhs agriculture, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs agriculture, 10 lakhs. Now what you will do? You will tell 10 lakhs is agriculture, 10 lakhs non-agriculture. So that 10 lakhs is only taxable. In that 10 lakh, 2 lakh 50 I don't pay tax. See how much fraud we are doing. Understood or not? That's why what government of India has done. Are you falling under slab rates? Yes, sir. Do you have agricultural income exceeding 5,000? Anga paru. Do you have agriculture income exceeding 5,000? Yes, sir. Your non-agriculture income is exceeding basic exemption limit. What is the basic exemption limit? If you are adopting regular tax regime, 2 lakh 50. Alternate tax regime, 3 lakh. See. What is basic exemption limit? Under alternative tax regime, whether you are a normal person, a senior citizen, a very senior, senior means 60 years and above, but less than 80. Super senior, also called as a very senior, means about to get parceled. These all category of persons comes under which category? Very senior comes under 80 years category. Understood the point or not? So, now understand. What is the first regime? Alternate. Tell me, what is the basic exemption limit under alternate tax regime? Below in bracket something I have written. My age is 32 years. Tell me, what will happen? My age is 62 years. What will happen? My age is 82 years. What will happen? Same. Now come here. Under regular tax regime, my age is 32 years. 2 lakh 50. Bonda. See there. My age 32, the senior citizen. Sorry, book train ticket using senior citizen category. Read properly. Tell me now. Other cases. 32 means I comes under senior citizen category. No. Very senior. No. What category we will come? Other cases you will fall. Now tell me. Other cases, what is our basic exemption limit? Very good. Now age is 62. And more than 60 but less than 80. What is the basic exemption limit? Very senior. 5 lakhs is the basic exemption limit. Understood? So, problem of the department is like this. You earn 20 lakh. You earn 20 lakh. 10 you are saying agriculture, 10 is non-agriculture. 10 agriculture, what you will do? Fully exempt. Non-agriculture, again you will take 5 lakh if you are a super senior. 20 lakhs you earn. You are paying tax on, after all, how much? 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs, you are paying only 5% tax. 20 lakhs, your tax is 10,000. That's a nyayama. 82 years, what agriculture you are doing? Tell me. What agriculture you will do? 80 to 90. Your age is 85 years. Okay? With due respect to elders, think about government point of view. Okay, no sentiments here. Revenue point of view, if you think, you can't do anything actually. Okay, you will go to agricultural field. Morning 4 o'clock. Will you come back? Do you understand the point or not? How is it possible? Yeah, practically speaking, that much age, who will go to agricultural field? And technically, some of your children are doing some business. They wanted to divert income by showing it as agriculture income for you, such that they can claim 2 benefits. One, your age benefit. Are you understanding or not? I will not believe you. I am very sorry. Tatagaru. Very, very sorry. Means you are an elderly person, with due respect, you are doing fraud. You definitely are doing fraud. Or else how will you get agriculture income, at this age? You will not. Show me the proof then that you are doing agriculture. So assumption is very clear. Assumption is very simple. You are a fraud. He will tell, no, I am a very nice fellow. No. I will do one thing. Treating you as a fraudster, I will bring one concept called as scheme of partial integration. Nice procedure we will apply. Okay? How that procedure will actually apply, let us see. First one, calculate the net agricultural income. Read the provision. First step number 1, calculate the net agricultural income as if it is chargeable to tax. Second, aggregation of agriculture income and a non-agricultural income of the assessee and compute tax on both of them. Next, compute tax on agriculture income plus basic exemption limit. Step 2 minus step 3 will be the tax on non-agricultural income. Then we need to adjust rebate, surcharge, health and education cess at the rate of 4%. Then net tax liability will come. No one will understand if I say like this. I can know. Okay? Just I am showing you that there is a procedure. Understood or not? Once you do all this procedure, then you will get a final answer. That's how the partial integration will apply. On that only exam questions also are coming. Clear everyone? Up to what you have written, up to this you have written, correct? Huh? So we have to write now the notes on scheme of partial integration. Please keep the notes heading. After keeping the heading, take a break and come. After post the lunch break, we will start with discussion on scheme of partial integration. Okay? Don't write conditions. Madhyargadarsi. Don't write. After the break, what you will do? You will bite nails. Huh? So, you can write later. Just keep the heading and leave. What is the concept? Scheme of partial integration. Okay? More about this we will discuss after the break. Thank you very much. Come after the break.